In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export as PNG in Figma. Exporting a clean, crisp PNG from Figma is straightforward once you know where to look. And this walkthrough will make sure you don't miss a thing. PNG is a great choice when you want a high-quality, lossless image that preserves sharp edges and transparency, which makes it ideal for UI elements, icons, and screenshots of your designs. Start by opening your design in Figma, either in the desktop app or directly in your browser. Make sure you are in the Design tab on the right-hand side so you can see all the properties for whatever you select. If things look too zoomed in or out, adjust your zoom so you can confidently click exactly what you intend to export. Next, select the exact frame, layer, or object you want to export. This part is important. Figma only exports what's selected. If you want the entire screen or artboard, click the frame that contains it. If you only need a specific icon or image inside the frame, select that individual layer. You can confirm your selection by checking the layer name at the top of the right-hand panel and in the layers list on the left. With your object selected, look to the right-hand panel and scroll to the very bottom until you see the Export section. Click the plus button next to Export. If you don't see this section, it usually means nothing is selected. So simply click your frame or layer again and try scrolling down once more. Now choose your format. Open the drop-down and pick PNG. PNG preserves transparency. So if your design sits on a transparent background in Figma, it will remain transparent in the exported file. It also keeps your graphics sharp without compression artifacts, which is perfect for interface work. Before exporting, set your scale. The 1x option exports your design at its original size. Choosing 2x or 3x increases the resolution proportionally, which is especially helpful for high-density or retina displays. Higher scales deliver crisper results but also larger file sizes. So pick the one that matches how the image will be used. For example, 2x is a reliable default for most modern screens, while 1x is fine for standard web previews. When everything looks right, click the Export button. Figma will generate the PNG at the scale you selected and prompt you to save it to your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.